Hey everybody, how are you doing? And today what I am going to do is I'm going to put together a vignette with Henry here. Henry's been with me many moons, good 25 years or better. And all I've done so far is I put this bow on that is from the Dollar Tree, okay? And he's in a container that was given to me when my daughter passed away. And I use this all the time. It had a green plant and, well, I'm not the greatest green thumb of plants in the house. So enough said about that. We all know now what kind of gardener I am. So, all right, so I'm putting Henry into the container and I'm using some Dollar Tree decor pieces to go with him, okay? So what I'm going to do, I think I'm going to put some of these carnations, the white ones, and I am so impressed with Dollar Tree's flowers, I can't believe it. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to put the carnations here, right about there, and you can still see good. And then I think what we'll do is, I think I'll put a white hydrangea. I'm mixing flowers. That's not unusual for me. Right here. And that's going to cover up some of this oasis. Then I'm going to use some lamb's ear as well. And so I'll put a little piece here. And one back in here. And again, I'm not gluing anything in because, like I said, I use this container a lot. I mean, I used it for Christmas. I used it for Valentine's too. I'm going to take, okay, now this was you know those three where they're connected with the ribbon from the Dollar Tree? Well, I cut them apart, okay? So I'm going to put this one that says I love America, cute, matches that. And I'm just going to put this in kind of cockeyed the way I do. But like I said, I'll bring the camera down and show you everything if you're not seeing, because the angle that it is and Henry being so tall, I can't fit it all in. So that's why anyway, you know what I mean. So we're just going to keep putting some more of our goods in with old Henry. So what I have now is I have more, and now I'm going to use some of the red carnations. Aren't these pretty for Dollar Tree? I mean, I am so impressed with these flowers. I can't believe it. Anyway, we're going to go ahead and put these, because I want height up in here, kind of leaning against him. And then for filler, these were from Hobby Lobby. So I'm going to put some of that right here. And then I'll add some more over here. And as all you know, I'm not a minimalist in any stretch of the imagination. And then I'm going to turn this around. And these particular ones came from Hobby Lobby, okay? To me, they look like little fireworks. So I'm going to go ahead and stick that one there. And then this one, just kind of bring it up here, little ways. Everything I do when I bring you with me, they're such tall, like my 3-tier, and I don't know where to put it so you guys can see it. I mean, I can't get any lower than the cutting. The cutting board is lower than the counter, but it's still hard because the height is so different, you know? So let's turn this around, and now I want to put this one kind of over, not quite, I don't want it to be even with that one. I like different, let's bring that in a little bit more. Okay. Well, you know, actually, let's bring it in where it's kind of behind him if I can. Yeah, I like that better. Okay. So there is that. See where I put it kind of in front of these flowers where it's more hitting him? And you can kind of mess with that one a little bit. And then over here to hide, again, some more of the oasis, I'll put another carnation. We're almost done, guys. These don't take long. Some more of this. Oh, I don't even know what you call this. Gypsum, I don't know what it is, but. Now, I would like to add this, but I don't know what happened to this. I got this, I think I got this at Target, and I'm seeing what it is, and I tried to tape it so it wouldn't keep falling over on itself. Well, let's see what we can do with it. So let's turn this around. And this is just going to rest. And I think what I'm going to do, because I do want that there, I think I'm going to get a piece of tape, because no one's going to see it, just to keep it from falling. Because I really want that there. And it's so flimsy. Okay, guys, sorry about that. All right, so here is what the container looks like. And like I said, usually I have it turned around if it's for different holidays. But this, I thought, went okay with the 4th of July. So here is the one piece of that 3-piece set from Dollar Tree. It's pretty. And then there's more, I don't know what you call this particular plant, but it's from Hobby Lobby, as well as the lamb's ear, that is from Hobby Lobby as well. And then back here are the carnations from the Dollar Tree. And then the little, I'm calling it like a firework type mylar, is from Hobby Lobby, and the little pinwheel is from the Target Dollar Spot. And then of course Henry. If it wasn't for Henry, we wouldn't even be doing this particular vignette. And he has on a Dollar Tree bow and another lamb's ear with a white hydrangea, and then some carnations from the Dollar Tree, and another mylar firework, if you will, pick. So that is my little vignette for my coffee table, and I will show you what it looks like on my coffee table. Okay, and this is where Henry will be on my coffee table, and you'll see the rest of it when I do my home tour collaboration for the 4th of July patriotic decor. But here he is again in all of his splendor. I think it turned out really cute. And because my grandson London was born on the 4th of July, I always have to showcase this little cutie. So he was our firecracker baby. There is what that looks like. Guys, thank you for being with me and creating this together with me. And until we get together again, remember the world's a better place because you're in it. Don't ever, ever forget that. Talk to you soon, guys. Bye.